What's up, chat? It's your boy back at it again on the 675 SRR. Hi. Cute. I've been using this bike for almost 3 days straight. I'm gonna do a mini review. Let's find a spot first. One thing I can say is that this bike is definitely worth your money. Yeah, so using this bike for the past 3 days, I did get or gain some insights about the bike. Yeah, so hard to vlog when you're stopped, you know, and there's a lot of people around you. I feel like I might speak Tagalog in this video, but I'll just put some subtitles around here. So yeah. Pala dito sa daan na to. That might be a good spot. Or here. I don't know, let's see. Yeah. It's a good spot. Go here. Yeah. Okay. We got a spot. Okay. Oh, they have an extra helmet because someone is gonna be backpacking later. So here's the bike. Here is the full look. Yeah, it's good. It looks good. It's different actually. It's different than your usual 600. Kamukha pa rin yung yung 450 SR dahil sa sungay niya or yung itsura nung headlight niya. Tapos itong motor na to, may kasama na rin siyang quick shifter. Auto blip wala. Inline 3 engine, engine ng Triumph. Ano pa ba? 180 yung gulong. I believe stock to. Tapos ano pa ba? Brakes niya dual caliper or dual disc with ano tawag dito, air duct. Basta brake cooling yan. Tapos J1 yung caliper. For those of you who don't know, J1 is a Spanish braking system na inacquire na ni Brembo. So same na sila. Yun, goods yan. Shocks niya is I'm not sure. Gawang Cfmoto. Tapos rear shock same, adjustable. Shocks niya sa harap is may preload adjuster na rin. Tapos yung cockpit niya ay itsura. Hindi niyo pa rin nakikita. And ayun. Ay may nakasulat na 675 SRR. Seat niya SR, R may nakalagay. Tapos dual texture. Parang perforated yata yung ganito. Pillion seat is ito, medyo matigas, no? Tigas yan. Kaso may napalitan na dito, yung visor niya. Tsaka yung side mirror, and then yung exhaust, and then yung tail tidy. So sa visor niya, ayan, parang alam ko ganito yung parang BMW type, tulad nung amin sa 450. Tapos winglet side mirrors, tail tidy, ayan, nakasulat rin na 675 SR. Gusto nyo makita, seat height check. I am 5'7". Ito kaya. Diba? Thank you. So ayan. Not sure kung nakikita nyo, parang hinahangin na. Oo nga, hanginin yung phone ko. Okay, how do I do this? Okay, 0.5. Tapos yan. So yan, 5'7" height ko. Hi chat. Hi. Need to sync. 5'7" or 5'8" yung height ko. Actually 5'8". So inseam not sure, lalagay ko na lang dyan sa screen. Pero itong itsura niya sa height ko. Ayan. Medyo tiptoe tayo pag dalawang paa nakababa. Pero sakto lang pagka isang paa. Yan, flat-footed na siya pagka ganun. Which is ganito naman talaga pagka magra-ride ka ng manual. Laging nakaalalay ang right feet or foot sa brakes. Right? Yeah. Sorry sa suot ko, guys. Ganito talaga ang buhay. Ang init kasi. Pero wag niyo gagayahin. Etong exhaust niya is cut deleted na, kung di ako nagkakamali. Gawang VMAX ay no. May logo. Tapos SC Tagalog. What else? Actually wala na. Build quality. So itong winglet niya is plastic, which is okay lang. Well, for 438,000 goods na siya. Fairings niya fiber. Build quality ng switches parang 450 SR. Brake master niya Cfmoto may gawa. Sa likod ang brake niya ay walang brand. Pero gawa Cfmoto yan. What else? Actually that is it. So kung hindi kayo sure kung kukuha kayo nito, well, it is worth it for its price, Sobrang worth it na nung presyo nito for 438,000. Naka inline 3 ka na. Tapos yun. Meron kasi yan yung mga yung ibang inline 3, which is yung Triumph, MV Agusta, and yung Yamaha, which is yung crossplane inline 3 nila. Medyo mahalin talaga, 'di ba? Medyo masakit sa bulsa. But for this bike, 438k, 675cc. 'Di ba? Saan ka pa kukuha nun? So, kuha na kayo. So, yun. Nothing else much to say. Oh, and I also have a steering dampener made by Cfmoto itself. It also have a USB here. If I can open it, yeah. And yeah. So for the dash, tignan natin itsura niya. Ayan. Maganda. Kita mo yung PSI. Kita mo yung temperature, yung gas mileage, oras, trip, average consumption ng gas. Then yung side stand, traction control, tapos gear indicator. So meron tayong sa settings niya, meron tayong vehicle, phone, music, motoplay, settings, and katulad lang rin ng isa. Animation, parang SR lang rin yan. Eto, tingnan nyo guys. Ayan diba? Mukha lang rin siyang 450 SR. Tapos ang maganda dito guys, I'm not sure what do you call this kind of technology, but whenever you start this bike, you don't need to long press the starter. So you just press for a bit and then it's gonna go. It's like this. See? Also, pagka i-rev mo yung ano, pagka i-rev mo siya ng naka-neutral, hindi siya lalagpas ng 6,000 RPM kung doon nagkakamali, o 4,000. Meron siyang limiter. So, hindi siya nakakasira ng engine or mas tatagal. So, kung gusto niyo makita, try natin. Ay, ganito oh. Diba yan? So, pagka gusto mo siyang i-redline, hindi siya dediretso. Diba para siya naka ano, launch control. Oh, ha? Good. Kuha na kayo, 438k. Nag-endorse. But anyway, that is it, chat. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to review other bikes. I don't know if my review makes sense, but if you do enjoy it, please comment down below. And as always, thank you for supporting me, chat. It really means a lot. Those comments from this guy, shout out to Squids for always supporting the channel. Yeah, there you go. That's my take for this bike. Aggressive stance, I already said it in the last video. It's not that aggressive like the 6R. So yeah, this is the limiter, and then when you change the gear, it's gonna go over. See? So yeah, let's go. That is it for me, you guys. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out a lot. And I'll see you guys around. Yeah. Peace out and ride safe.